How to sign up for Walmart. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're going to see the search box. Over there, type in walmart.com and then search for it. You will be directed to the official website of it. Now click on three bars given at the top left corner. Navigate to the option Sign in or Create account. Now type in the email address, then click on Continue. Create your Walmart account. You have to provide these information. First, type in your first name, type in your last name, type in your phone number, generate password for your account. Make sure your password fulfill these characters. Then you can check in for this option. After you provide all the details, click on Continue. Now you will be receiving verification code in the phone number that you have just entered. Check it and type in your code over here. After you type in the code, click on Verify and Create account, and just with that you have signed up for a Walmart account. So this way you can easily create your Walmart account. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.